We know that the dictate feature has been around for a while now in Word. It's such a massive time saver. Now, right beside dictate in Word Online is the transcribe feature. So what does transcribe do? It's exactly as it sounds. If you have an audio file that you need available in a text format, use transcribe. Simply upload a compatible file and let Word Online do the transcribing. Listen to the playback, edit as required, do it in sections, or do it all at once. There, your written transcript is now ready. Important information about transcribe. Transcribe is one of the Office intelligence services. Bring the power of the cloud to the Office apps to help save you time and produce better results. Your audio files will be sent to Microsoft and used on the provider of the service. When the transcription is done, your audio and transcription results are not stored by the service. See the website for more details.